Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing for you guys today. I found another truck from Mix 11 at one of my local Targets, and obviously here is the back of the package. You got the Nitro Neon's Dragon. I have that already. If you want to see that review, go check it out. Batman I still need to get. Elemental's Gravedigger, I also reviewed that, so if you want to see that, go check it out. I'm still looking for the World Finals Bounty Hunter. I have Soldier Fortune Black Ops. I'm still hunting for Salvager. Inverse Alien Invasion I already have, and I reviewed that, so if you want to see it, go check it out. And, of course, I still need the Infamous Ride Trucks BKT. So, if you can tell on the back of the packaging, you may know what truck this is. That is right, guys. I got Razin Kane. Oh, man. Here it is, the Razin Kane from Spin Master, and I must say already, this one is way better than the one that Hot Wheels made. This truck looks so awesome. I can't wait to get it unboxed, so let's do that right now. Alright, so here is the Razin Kane truck, and it came with a black wristband, kind of an interesting choice. For Razin Kane, I was kind of expecting like either a white one or a blue one, but that's okay. I mean, maybe this could be a hint that we might be getting FTI Torque in the future, because that's another Razin Kane truck we still need. So last year the first Razin Kane team truck we got was Ice Cream Man, and now we have the team leader, Razin Kane. So let's take a look at this bad boy. So we got the silver grille, and I think these are Dodge Ram inspired headlights. We got blue rims, a blue roll cage. On the side it says Razin Kane with a couple of sponsors. You got the Monster Jam logo, Amali Motor Oil, FTI, Wix, some other sponsor, I can't tell what that is. And then I believe that says FX something, I can't really read it. Then you got on the hood, it says Razin Kane with a little stripe thing going down, or some kind of arrow, I don't know. And then you have the Amali Motor Oil symbol again with a stripe, nothing on the negative space bar. On the tailgate, it's the Monster Jam logo instead of the Ram logo, because they couldn't do that because it's copyright, which I understand. We got the tail lights, and then same sponsors and stuff again on this side. So yeah, definitely a cool truck. I'm so happy I finally found it. So yeah, that was the unboxing and review of Razin Kane from Spin Master Monster Jam. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, ring that bell for notifications, because pretty much every day I post new content. And yeah, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Alright guys, take care.